Hey nail fam, I hope that you are doing well. Melody Susie was kind enough to send me over one of their new nail drills, and so I will be unboxing this video for you and doing a little voiceover as I open it up. Now, I wanted to point out that I have been loving this here, the Jade rechargeable nail drill. It has been my go-to since they sent this to me. I think I've had it for over a year now. I absolutely love using it. Since then, they have sent me another nail drill, and this one is powerful and it is also nice as well, although I do find the Jade rechargeable fits in my hand just a little bit better. So I have had two other nail drills from MELODYSUSIE that I have reviewed. So in this package here, they have included some tiny little sanding bands. I was like, what is going on? Why these sanding bands are so tiny? They're like the smallest thing ever. Here is the grit, 180, and I know my nails look bite up. I'm not gonna lie, I did yuck my nails off because I felt like if I'm doing a nail drill review, I need to try it and test it out on my nails. So I improperly removed the nails from my nail bed, and I have damaged my nails just a little bit, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix and clean it up in just a second. So here are the sanding bands, and as you would have seen from the nail drill bit, it's also tiny as well. So this gives me the impression that these sanding bands and that nail drill bit is for cuticle work and actually getting really up close and personal to those crusty cuticles. Your girl has some crusty cuticles. We've been struggling with these cuticles for quite some time. So I'm hoping that this little tiny sanding band and new sanding, like cuticle sanding drill nail bit, I feel like this is going to be like a miracle worker. All right, so in the box, after you have done drooling over those sanding bands and nail drill bit, there is a manual. It tells you and gives you all of the information that you need to know about your nail drill. Definitely take a few minutes and read through the instructions. We're getting to the center of the box now, and here is where that beautiful pink and white starts to shine through. I'm loving how the design on the side here reminds me of like a little pie, like, you know, the little tops of a delicious pie looks like. It is such a beautiful, sleek nail drill. There's a little clip to the back here, so obviously it's quite portable and mobile, especially for those mobile nail techs. Here's what the top looks like. There are two little buttons, and then here's the bottom. There's a little insert where you going to push in your plug. So there is a removable kind of spongy piece there. Definitely just remove that, and there are two more boxes to the bottom of this box. This is where you'll find some additional products. So we do have like some more nail drills. We have the plug, we have a clip, and we do have some nail drill bits. So I'm just going to kind of move the box out of the way so that we can kind of see what else is inside here. Okay, so we finally found the actual nail drill piece that we need to clip into the modem or the body of the nail drill. I actually don't know the different parts. So here's how I'm looking. Oh, she has a little bit of weight to it. She does have a little bit of weight. She's not as light and as firm as the Jade rechargeable drill. And she's definitely not as thick as this other nail drill here. So she's right in the middle, which I'm perfectly fine with. Honestly, I do have a bias to the Jade rechargeable, but this one is so pretty. And look, like we have those little grooves there so that you can get some extra grip whilst you're holding your nail drill. I actually really do love that. That's pretty cool. All right, so it fits nicely in the hand. It's not too heavy, it's not too thick. I feel like I can still have a little bit of control whilst I'm using this nail drill. And here's where you insert the socket of your drill piece into your drill body, these two little bodies here. And that's basically how you're going to use it whilst you have it on power. And it does look like it is rechargeable as well. So here is this tiny little drill bit here. First I was struggling just a little bit trying to figure out how you put it in, because there was already like a little piece, a little rod inside there. And I was like, huh? All right, so let's move on over to some of the other products that's in here. So here is another nail drill bit, sorry. It says large barrel, and it is a ceramic. So this is not to be used on natural nails. It should be only used on enhancements. Here is another drill bit. Again, this should only be used on enhancement. You should not be using this on your natural nails either. These are perfect for, you know, acrylic or gel, hard gel, poly gel, when you want to get that nice smooth body. Oh, this is nice. We do have some other essential drill bits here, the basics. Usually these would come with like every nail drill. You just need them, but you need those basics. Then we have the little rest here for you to put your little pen down as you're not using it. You definitely need to have one of these in your life, because it just make picking up the drill a little bit easier. All right. Anyway, so here's the little clip to the side here. If you want to be walking around and looking like you are a professional nail tech, you're going to stick your little pen into that, clip it onto the side of your waist, and get your job done. Here's the plug. Now, this was sent to me from MELODYSUSIE in the US, so it does have a US plug. I've received products from them before, so I do have a EU adapter, a UK adapter, and so I just kind of plug that into there, and no big deal. All right, now we're just going to go ahead and stick this plug into the bottom here and see how much juice we have going on here. Usually with MELODYSUSIE drill, they always have juice. Like, they last forever. You can charge this up today and you won't have to charge this up for another 3 to 4 months. And I am not even exaggerating. And I use my nail drill almost weekly because I like doing my nails over. Even though I'm not doing videos as much, I like doing my nails. I like touching them up and doing little different things with them. Anyway, so I figured out that I need to take this rod out, this little pen right here, because I was like, how am I supposed to use this drill piece? But duh, it comes out and you push this in. So you push this in, you clip it, you twist it to open up the hole, and then you twist it again to kind of close up the hole. And here's how we look at it. We got a little bit of juice on, guys. We didn't even have to charge this up. This is already 66% charged. Absolutely amazing. And so here's the on and off switch to the top here, and then this is the dial button here when you want to change the RPM. Okay, so rounds per minute, you know, it's the speed of your nail drill. And you, as a beginner, I'm a beginner as well. I'm not trained in how to properly use nail drills. I am a self-taught nail tech. Excuse me, I'm not a play. I'm a nail tech, sweetie. Yes. Anyway, so I'm saying is, here's me just giving it a little test drive. She feels so nice, guys. Like, crusty cuticles be gone. If you were looking for a crusty cuticle savior, here it is, guys. This is your sign. We are not going into 2024 with crusty cuticles no more. You and I are going to get these cuticles together. We're going to get these nail beds together. We're going to go on the right RPM, which is 5 or less on your natural nail. Don't go any higher than this. And we're going to be patient, and we're going to learn how to properly remove and put on and apply our nails so that we have healthy nails and healthy skin. We're going to be giving ourselves regular manicures. We are taking care of ourselves this year, guys. It is 2024 and self. This nail drill, this cuticle bit, must have, game changer. You thought the 5-in-1 nail drill bit was the one that got your cuticles straight? You have not yet met this little guy right here. It is getting the job done. I don't feel like any burns or anything. Like, I used to use a sanding band with the regular nail drill bit, you know, the barrel. Did you put the sanding bands on? Mandrel, sorry. And sometimes I used to be burning up myself because I used to do it too hard and too into the cuticle area. This one feels very gentle, and I feel like I have a little bit more control because it's not a huge big mandrel bit with the sanding band on top. It's not a huge big barrel. I have a tiny little skinny little band, and I have a little bit more self-control. Honestly, 10 out of 10. This drill bit, 10 out of 10. It has the right amount of speed as well. It has the right amount of power. You can feel that power in this drill bit. All right, and just knowing that we have other drill bit pieces. We have the man drill bit here. We have other cuticle pieces there, cuticle drill bit there as well. It's just nice to know that we have those as backup as well, and we can actually give ourselves a full blown manicure right now, which I'm absolutely loving. In comparison to the jade rechargeable drill. You know, I still really do love the jade rechargeable drill, honestly. I'm just swapping over to 180 sanding band here, just so I can get the body of my nail just a little bit flatter. Like I want my nail bed to be a little flatter, and I just want to feel what the speed feels like on this whilst I'm kind of just, you know, trying to remove all of the damage that I've done to my nail. All right, so I'm just gonna, you know, I'm just gonna stop talking just for a little bit, and just I want you to see what I'm doing here. I mean, again, please note that I have trained in soft gel application, and I have trained in what else have I done? My training in, I got 2 certificates. My certificates was soft gel and something else. Gel course. So, you know, in terms of being a full-blown nail tech and stuff, like I know health and safety and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so that's what my nail bed is looking like. And in terms of removing enhancements, I would have needed this to be on a higher speed. It was not doing much in terms of enhancement. I needed that to be on a higher speed, but because I still have exposed nail bed, I could not use the higher speed. So for this one, I'm gonna actually have to soak this off. So the sanding band is not the one, especially since I'm using 180. 180 is just there to kind of like smooth, you know, lightly. And you can see that I have it on really high, and I have to go really high in order to remove these enhancements. And, you know, that's where the damage can come in. That's where you can start to lose control, and you don't want to lose control with these big barrels. You know, if you lose control with that small cuticle bit, you might be okay. Anyway, I'm trying not to ramble here. I'm trying not to talk too much. I just want you to understand the gist behind this new nail drill. I absolutely love it. I think the cuticle bit is the most exciting part about this nail drill. And I love the new design. I love how sleek and elegant and very girly this one looks. You know, I love the nail, the jade rechargeable, because it's gold. It has a gold and white theme to it, whereas this one is more pink and white. And I'm not a pinky girl. I love pink, but if I saw these two, I would run for the gold instead. So again, here is a quick peek at this beautiful, powerful nail drill that MELODYSUSIE has launched. If you're interested in any of these nail drills, and I have done reviews, check the other reviews out. If you're interested, I do have a discount code down in the description. Here's how my nails look. No damages. Cuticle looking just a little bit better. Nail bed is looking a little bit better. Hope this review was a little bit helpful for you. Leave me some feedback down in the comment section. I know my nails looking crusty dusty, but I'm gonna fix them up in a little bit. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you, MELODYSUSIE. Bye, guys.